here at M-CNC in Bridgewater.
At the Festival of British Engineering and Manufacturing. Let's take a look inside.
We're holding this event because we've grown exponentially through the help of DMG MORI and these fantastic machines, and we're feeding them that well that our customers are putting more demand on us, and therefore we need more skilled guys to operate them. Trying to recruit has been an absolute nightmare, so what we're trying to do is encourage young people that manufacturing and British engineering is awesome, and we're trying to raise awareness. So with the help of amazing people like DMG MORI, we can start shouting about UK manufacturing to amazing young people that are absolutely fine.
So in my course, I'm a aero fitter, which is an electrical and mechanical engineer. Well, that's an apprenticeship at Airbus, and we're working at Western College at the moment. Because we're not actually obviously in the workplace at the moment, it's good to see how everything works and how everyone works together. Because at the moment, obviously, we're just learning, so it's really good to know how it all works.
I got an apprenticeship in aerospace engineering for GKN, so I'm currently in our Southwest Skills College in Weston studying aerospace engineering. I was quite excited to come out of college and actually be able to look at something really cool, and it's just really interesting. It's just really good to see all the machines and how high-tech they all are. It just really amazes me how brilliant it is here. It's just something that's always interested me. I've always been intrigued in seeing how planes work and seeing the wings on planes and stuff. And in my apprenticeship, that's what I'm mainly doing, and it really interests me. Also, I've got a really nice group of mates who really enjoy it as well. So it's like a family at the end of the day.
So I've just grabbed Charlie from off the DMG MORI stand, and I want to quiz you really, Charlie. How have you found this morning?
Oh, it's been amazing. It's so busy. It's so lovely to see so many faces, especially after the past 18 months. Yeah. The current climate, it's so lovely to be back with everyone and talking to new faces, talking to new people, the clients of M-CNC, the children. Oh, it's been fabulous.
It really is. Now, what is your relationship with M-CNC? There's a lot of your machines here.
Yeah, so of course we're the main machine supplier for M-CNC. As you can see, there's probably about 15 units in here now. That's built over the years with our sales team and obviously M-CNC and Mark and Lee. We work with them to make sure that their solutions are met.
It's a partnership. Now, when I used to work for DMG MORI, Steve Finn, Managing Director, sent me to the UK Skills Show, and I was always at events for young people.
Yeah.
So why is this event so important for you guys?
Well, like you said, for our Managing Director, Steve, young people and bringing us through it's so important because, well, why wouldn't you want to bring people through? You can mould them to be how you want them. So myself, they're putting me through my degree, which I couldn't be more thankful for. Like you said, World Skills. Jack, who's on our stand here, he took part in World Skills, and obviously this is an event inspiring youngsters of the next generation. It's just so important to talk to them and show them the different avenues. You don't have to just be an engineer. Of course, I'm marketing, I'm in engineering, I'm not an engineer, but there's so many avenues in this industry.
So what would you say to anyone who comes to an event like this? Well, why would you encourage somebody to visit this event?
I'd probably say that it's just inspiring, just seeing the different companies that are here. Obviously M-CNC themselves are inspiring. How they've expanded over the years is incredible. They had a few of our machines and they've got so many of our machines, and they can speak to us, of course. We've got so many different avenues and apprenticeships, and being able to not just do a degree, do an apprenticeship is also huge, because so many top CEOs, they've been through an apprenticeship, they've worked their way up. You don't just have to be the top person straight away when you walk out of uni. You can do it from the bottom to the top. That's how they work.
What do young people want to do when they leave school? Most of us didn't know what we want to do. And we're trying to raise awareness of the multiple career paths and choices within British engineering and UK manufacturing. And it's just a case of, guys, It's not all dirty, it's not all oily, it's high tech, it's digital. We've got jet-powered surfboards here, we've got a flying car here, we've got aerial atom here. That's high-tech technology. So if the young people can see this, those products, and then come in and, oh, that's how it's made. So by using 3D scanning, 5-axis machining, 11-axis mill turn, we can make amazing components.
Students coming to an event like this will gain awareness of what engineering actually is, how things are made. Before I was an engineer, I took for granted what was around me, and this gives them an idea of what engineering can do. What's been impressive is that they knew a little bit about the machinery already, like the tool changer and the automation side of stuff.
I think it's important for students to come to an event like this just so that they can speak to the actual true people that are in engineering, the engineers, a lot of the contractors that are here today. We've got a load of tool suppliers, programmers, ourselves, DMG MORI here to show off the machines, just so they can put actual names to faces and actually the industry and meet the people that actually are in it. What's impressed me today, definitely the openness of the students, young and old. They're confident enough to ask the questions, and I think that just shows that their willingness to learn from this event. I think it's important for a customer like M-CNC to hold an event like this just to showcase what engineering is for students, because it's clear that there is a skill gap, and this is what's going to really interest kids in learning in engineering.
It's getting a bit busier, and I'm hoping it's going to get busier too, because if we can just persuade 10 or maybe 20% of these to enter into manufacturing, that's another 60, 70 engineers in the local area that we can build a talent pool and we can all recruit from. Because at the moment, companies like us in the area, we're pinching each other's guys, and there's still a skill shortage. So if I recruit a skilled 5-axis guy, another company has lost a skilled 5-axis guy. So we need more people coming through. We really do. So it's all about STEM, it's all about apprenticeships, it's all about degrees, it's all about being technical. We need millers, turners, grinders, operations, production, process, robotics, metrology. Oh, the list is endless of the roles that are out there that can be filled.
Wow, what a fantastic event.
Yeah, I mean, M-CNC, you know, they're based down in the southwest, as we know. It's not easy to find engineers down here.
And actually across the UK, we're hearing that all the time.
Well, what do? You've got two options. You could be trained as a young learner in a college, for instance, going through the skills that you need for a shop floor, or you open your shop floor to try and get apprentices in, basically.
And you know what? So much has changed within engineering, and when you speak to all of the students here, it's the realities that they're getting to see of the world of engineering, the realities and the scope. You know, not everyone has to go down one particular route. It's huge.
Well, this is, you know, a great thing for us. I mean, we've been in the industry a long time. You know, even
some longer than others.
That's very true. You seeing the amount of females now in engineering, but also, you know, some of these young learners today. What's a pallet changer? I know what that is.
Yes.
I know what a tool change is. I know what a pallet system is. So the education's really working. And M-CNC, you know, they've got over 25 DMG MORI machines here, right skill level. You need the right people to run them.
Absolutely, a very inspirational day for not only us, but the students too.